This is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today we will showcase how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So let me show how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. Just like so, as you can see. From here you can either tap on this gear icon and go straight into the settings of the keyboard, or you can also launch the general settings app, then enter the system settings category. In here go for the language, or my bad, keyboard and input method, then I guess the Gboard, and at the Gboard settings page you want to enter the preferences section and turn on the number row toggle. And as you will be able to see now, this will essentially mean that we have just successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.